Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to install the Taxlink software so that you can go ahead and integrate with your Lacerte file. Right now I'm in as a system administrator, and what you want to do is go to your engagement dashboard. At the bottom you should see a banner. If you do not see a banner, please contact support@bigtime.net or your account rep so that they can get your site bannered for you. At the bottom, we're just going to go ahead and click Download BigTime's Taxlink installer. An executable file should show up in your browser. We're going to go ahead and select Run. Here we're greeted by the Taxlink setup wizard. We just want to go ahead and hit Install. And then here you're going to be prompted to go ahead and put your BigTime credentials. These are the same credentials that you use to log in from our site. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email, my administrator password, select login, and then here you're going to be prompted to go ahead and select which tax years you want to go ahead and enable synchronization for. Since my computer PC only has 2014 Lacerte tax, I only see the available options for my Lacerte 2014 file. If I had Lacerte 2013 also installed, then I will have an additional tab for its own tax return types. So here you can select enable or disable it by unchecking it, and this will disable the whole 2014 year from synchronizing. You want to make sure that the year that you want to synchronize with BigTime is checked and that the data paths are correct for each type of tax return. If you do not see it here, you can add an additional path manually by clicking on this button. We're going to go ahead and hit next. You're going to hit next once you feel comfortable with your settings, and then just select finish. The Taxlink software is going to run in your system tray below, and that is how you go ahead and install Taxlink. So now that you have Taxlink installed, it should be showing in your system tray. As long as the Taxlink software is running in your system tray, that is how you know that any updates happening in Lacerte are being captured into BigTime. If you left click with your mouse, you'll be able to see a status update of the last time a tax return update was flown up into BigTime. Here it has the last check at 9/10/2015 at that specific time, and it synced 0 at 9/10/2015, 1:48 p.m. This is going to go based on your system time. If I right-click my Taxlink software, I get additional menu options. Exit. This will close your Taxlink software. Advanced settings, if you left-click it, will open additional options. Synchronize all tax returns will allow you to synchronize all of your Lacerte tax files with BigTime with the latest updates. You can use this feature for troubleshooting in case you accidentally closed Taxlink and it didn't have a chance to grab your latest updates. Synchronized Statuses are going to synchronize your latest status codes on your Lacerte file and bring it up into BigTime so that you can go ahead and map those within BigTime and utilize them within the engagement dashboard. Open Configuration folder and Open Program folder are going to open up the configuration settings folder on your system, as well as the program folder in which Taxlink is installed. Pause Taxlink is a way that you can go ahead and designate that you want it to be running but currently not grabbing any updates from Lacerte. Finally, the last option we have here is Update Taxlink. If you are uncertain if whether or not you have the latest version software, you can select Update to go ahead and check for updates. You'll get a confirmation of whether or not your software is up to date. You also have the configuration settings. If you left-click on Configure, if you've forgotten to map a data drive or just want to double-check to make sure all your tax returns are properly mapped, just click that option to view the data mappings within each type and make sure that they're properly checked. You can close this when you're done. This concludes the options you have within your Taxlink software.